Alright, you guys, we have the project here, and what we're going to be doing is draining it from this, looks like Lake Erie pool of water. Alright, before we clean this off, I grabbed the pressure washer in a can here from O'Reilly's. Good stuff. And we're going to use that to clean the parts off real quick before we go in the house. So let me get you set up on the tripod here, and we'll clean them up. Okay, for cleaning off, you'll need the parts washer here and a toothbrush. I took this from my sister. I hope she won't mind, but I'll bring it back, and then she'll have that nice, minty taste to it. It's like, oh, it's a brand new brush. I'm like, yeah, it is. So, anyways. There we go. Let's clean on it a little bit there. There we go. The governor waits here. This is where you're going to have to take that brush and get in there. There we go. That feels a lot more freer. Spray her a few more times. There we go. That's a lot better. Now, right here. And the spring. There you go. Now, one more thing. We want to hide the evidence. There we go. There you go. She'll never know. Give that back to her tomorrow. Now, I'm going to take her in the house and assemble it because it is a little chilly out here. I don't feel like doing it outside. And get my fingers all cold. So here we go. Got the workstation here, so let's assemble it. See, that's pretty free right there. I mean, that's way better than what it was. That's good. Alright. We don't have any teeth missing or nothing, so that's good. She didn't before, but I didn't know if, the chemicals were going to dissolve anything, but it didn't. So first spring to the pusher rod. Down the hole she goes. Now remember, these are right-handed threads, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you push down on it and turn as you push down. There we go. Now it doesn't say how tight you get it, so if you want to put a vice grips on here and tighten her down, go ahead. But remember, you don't want to mar this up. So be gentle with her. But that's it. Yeah, that's pretty free right there. Alright, that's it, guys. That's today's episode. Oh, and be sure to subscribe if you would, please, and hit that notification button, and hit that bell. See you later.